Hello gang, Sharpshot 21 here. Nice MGB. Anyways, a little amusing. As though I do the vlog stuff, and I do the long form stuff on Thursdays. And I don't know how they keep popping up on my feed, but they do. With the Dashcam videos. And given the population increase where I'm at, and the number of bad drivers that have shown up, I'm thinking about putting one in pretty much everything. Just because it's just one more thing to use in my favor if something does happen. And so I'm thinking, let's go get one. Or three. Because I want to put one in this, in the Jeep, and in the BMW when I get the BMW on the road finally, hopefully, maybe sometime this decade. So do you guys have thoughts and recommendations on which ones you like, which ones have good night vision, low light, because I do a fair bit of driving at night and in low light conditions because this is New England. It gets dark early here in the winter, like 4 in the afternoon, it's sundown. So, if you guys have thoughts and recommendations on dash cams, and ones with front and rear cameras. I have no problems tearing down headliners to put cameras in, just so long as I can put them in with front and rear. That would be super helpful. And then, who knows, maybe I'll start doing bad driver compilations when I actually get those in. Maybe do one every quarter or so. But what do you guys think of that? Dashcam videos and bad driver compilations? Let me know what you think, and we'll go from there. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts down below. Sharps out.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps me out, and it lets you know when I put something new up. New videos will be going up on Tuesdays or Thursdays at 8 a.m. Eastern. And if I do decide to do live streams, I will try to give 24 hours notice. So hit the subscribe button on the channel and you'll be notified when I post that stuff too. Hope to see you next time. Sharps out.